This 2021 Grand Design Solitude S-Class 3740BHR is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Rock Springs, Wyoming, 82901 and is offered for sale by First Choice RVs. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 40 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 10, microwave, slide-out, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, smoke detector, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, TV, water heater, air conditioning, and 91 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half bunkhouse. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Grand Design Solitude S-Class 3740BHR is 13,884 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to First Choice RVs.